Alright, so this will be quite a short tutorial on Roblox Studio again. I'm just going to show you how to make hollowed parts, a simple building thing that you can do. So just head into your studio and open up Baseplate or just whatever one you want, really. So I'm just going to wait for it to load because it kind of takes a bit. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to create a very simple part. You can just create a normal part, or just maybe you already have parts in your studio or workspace. But here we're just gonna have a big part, and I'm gonna call this part box, like that. And why not? I'll make it like a yellow, and I'll make it. Let's see. I think my fabric looks okay, I guess. So as you can see, there's well, it looks like there's nothing in the box, but it's actually just, it's completely solid. It's not hollowed. So to hollow it out, you would clone the box, and you will. Okay, I'm just gonna change this real quick. Obviously, if you're using Studio tools, you can edit it how you want. And I'm just gonna slightly make this cloned box like inside of the other box. Alright, you see, like this. So there's a box that is slightly bigger than a other box. Right, and we're gonna call this box 2. Okay, now really simple. Head to the model tab, and then select box 2 and hit negate. This one will create something called a negative part. Now, don't edit in the negative part. The negative part is a red part, and I'll tell you what to do with it. I don't really know what it is or what it does. All I know is that it's good for hollowing stuff out. So you would select your negative part, and you would select your box like this. You can hold down Control and select the box, and then you would hit Union. And whenever you union, it should hollow out the box, as you can see. This is because we're essentially putting a negative part and a normal part together. Now, if you know stuff like Einstein's, law or something, you know that everything has like an opposite of each other or whatever. So you've got like normal matter and antimatter, whatever, It's kind of like that, I guess, If you put it together, something will happen. And in this case, it will hollow it out. But in the real world, it will just explode. So, yeah, that's how you hollow stuff. Now, this is a union. I think if you were to separate it, yeah, it'd just be a negative part in a box. It'll go back to the original state, right? So, I'm just going to keep this unioned. I don't know if you can go inside of it. I'm not too sure, to be honest. I have not tried this. So, I might try it right now, actually. If I just hit, I don't know how I'm going to try this, though. Actually, I'm just going to create another part like this, and we can just make a little entrance like this. There we go. Now we make this a negative part, so hit model and hit negate. Boom, there you go. As you can see, it's like a red, even though it says it's white here. So select this negative part. I don't know if you can do this with a union. Oh, looks like you can, and it'll make a bigger union. And look, there we go. We've got a completely empty box. It still has a roof, and it's basically a house. So I'm just going to hit play, and I'm going to test this out. So, just loading in. Okay, so here we go. And okay, it does look like you can actually go inside of it. That's good to know. But yeah, there you go. That's hollowing parts is good for building. Now, you can also do this with a script, but that's more complex. You would do something called, you would get a part, and then you would do something called subtract async. You would do that on the part, and essentially you'll get a table of parts or a single part, and it will try to negate and then union it. I don't know how it works, but there's documentation. I'll link it in the description. But there you go, that's hollowing. Hope you enjoyed. Kind of like a wee small video. And yeah, bye.